Good afternoon, it's Nola. I have 3 of these kits left, so I thought I might as well put them up too. This is what the kit looks like, and let's just take a look. So here is the first piece. So pretty. And it's shiny and it's got yellows and greens and some taupes in it. Very pretty. Then I have this piece of yellow to go with it. And this lovely piece of moire. Love that. And I have this piece of silver. This is quite a large piece too. That'll just jazz it up a bit, or just put it away for another project. These aren't particularly for any project specifically. It's just that I put the colors together and you can do what you want with the kit. Then if you don't have a large amount of fabrics and things, this will give you something that's coordinated to start a project with. So then we have this one. And there's a piece of this one. And quite a large piece of this one. And this is very pretty as well. And I don't know what the fabric is, but yeah, I don't know what that is. But anyway, it's pretty. And then we have this little ruffled piece. So it's already ruffled on the end. And you could easily sew this onto the end of a page or glue it on. So that comes in handy. And this is a beautiful piece of lace. It's got all these gorgeous flowers in it. I just love it. And you get a large piece of that as well. And then this one, so pretty. And then this lovely piece of lace, which is just unique and fun to sort of slip in. And then you get this little piece of lace. There again, just a little change, a little contrast. There's another piece of lace for you. And then this is a gorgeous piece of sari, just covered with little beads and sparkles. And this is a nice piece too. Goes perfect with the background. Here's some beautiful satin. One of these little appliques. A big piece of this peach and green. This is really a neat fabric too. And then we have this piece of green sheer, a lovely piece of white wide satin ribbon, and a flower. And then of course the bow and all the the fibers come with it as well. So I'm going to put this one at, I think I'm going to leave them all at $23.50. So I have 3 of these, and I'd be more than happy to send them out to you. So just leave a message for me below, and I will get in touch with you. Just leave me your, preferably Facebook Messenger, but you can get a hold of me on, or I can speak to you just through YouTube. But that would be awesome. So if you're interested, there's 3 for $23.50. Thank you for watching. Bye now.